Got your mixture lead out. We got information Bravo. So, lesson number 1 for night pre-flight is it's super dark. So, make sure that you're looking for random things that you normally see easily in the day. Rocks behind your wheels, any kind of debris that might be on the ground, so run in the ground with a flashlight. Okay. And then obviously things that you might leave on your cowling as well.
Alright, well, good news is I didn't even leave the gas cap open, I suppose.
The gas caps are closed?
Yeah.
A-firm on that?
Yes sir, I checked it.
Las Vegas, Affirmation Bravo, time 00532. Wind calm, temperature 16, dew point -11, altimeter 3012. Visual approach runway 12 right in use. Lane in depart runway 12 right, 12 left, runway 7. Crystal right ground control. Yellow flash lights indicate you approaching active runway. ACC clearance is required. Simultaneous operations have been conducted to parallel and cross the runways. Feedback all runway times and full shore instructions. Contact received, Bravo. Las Vegas,
you got the controls?
Bravo,
I have the controls. You've got the controls.
Wind calm, temperature.
Sounds super muffled all of a sudden.
Yeah. Good evening, North Las Vegas ground. Skyhawk, November 734, November Juliet, currently at Flyride Aviation with information Bravo. Requesting clearance to do some patterns.
Cessna 74, November Juliet, North Las Vegas ground, runway 7, active via Golf.
7 via Golf, 734, November Juliet.
Okie dokie.
Okay.
You must have missed something on your checklist. You start at your pre-taxi checklist. Make sure you got everything there.
Flaps come up.
Okay.
Imagine that. Holy shit. Alright, just going through that again. Seatbelts, check.
Check.
Flaps are up.
Check.
Heat, vent, defrost, check.
Alright.
Avionics are on.
Yes, sir.
Transponder, alternate altitude reporting as squawking. It is check. Altimeter is set, 3012. Radio test complete.
Clear.
Taxi lights is required.
Loud clear. We got our taxi lights on. We got our nav lights on.
Lights on. Beacon is off.
Beacon is on,
tested.
I hope.
Say again?
Beacon is on, I hope.
Yes, sir. Beacon is on.
Okay.
Wait, what did I say?
You said beacon is off.
Oh, no, sorry. Strobes are off.
Okay.
Brakes have been tested. Attitude indicator has not been tested because we're not moving. Turn
coordinate. Test your attitude indicator. You just want it to be aligned
just center.
From your perspective.
Roger. Turn coordinator test.
Do that when we roll.
Can't test. Heading indicator to compass. All right, did that. All right. Taxi 7 via Golf.
Okay.
Okie dokie. Brake test complete. The left side pedal on this plane is a little bit softer than the right. I noted that the last time I was out, but
okay.
The brakes still work. So.
Yeah. Tends to happen. I'm not sure why. 4 extra hotels even worse.
Alright, taxi instrument checklist. Airspeed indicates 0. Attitude indicator is erect and working. Altitude indicator is set and indicates field elevation. Turn coordinator moves freely, indicates the direction of the turn, and the ball rolls to the outside of the turn. Heading indicator is aligned to the compass. Vertical speed indicator reads 0. If it does not, we will use his current position as 0. The magnetic compass is filled with fluid and moving freely and points to known heading.
Excellent.
Thanks, sir.
Alright, so all these landings are going to have to be to a full stop. Okay. But if we can stop and go, then that's fine.
We can stop and go, that's fine? What do you mean?
Stop on the runway and then full power and go. But we'll just get a couple of them down and hang of it before we start worrying about expediting the process.
Roger. What do you tell the tower if you're going to do that?
If you're cleared for the option, that's one of the things that you can do.
Ah.
Touch and go, stop and go, low approach, taxi back.
Alright, run-up checklist. Brakes are set, fuel to both. Trim for takeoff. I believe we are. Okay, flight controls test. Okay, we have good flight controls. Instruments check. Here, best power. Okay, primer in and locked. Locked. 1700 RPM. Okay, mags test. Okay, mags are good, suction's in the green, both tanks are full. Oil temp, oil pressure are in the green, amp meter is reading 0.
How much fuel was in it when you checked it before you had it filled?
It was something like 5 in one, 9 in the other. I was telling them to put 5 in each, but then I just thought, screw it, just fill it up. Repeat. Okay, idle check complete. Flaps at 0 or 10. Mixture, best power, check. RP off. Heading indicator of the compass. Check. Door in the windows. Check.
Check.
Transponder, altitude reporting and squawking 1200 for VFR, check. Landing lights on, check. Strobes as required. Just when we're on the taxiway, correct?
We'll get those when we get cleared onto our first runway.
Roger that. Alright, note the time. Goodness gracious.
5:30.
5:31.
Perfect timing.
Alright, brakes released.